Good morning. Where are you flying to today?
To Edinburgh, please. Just this suitcase to check in.
Lovely. Window or aisle seat?
Ooh, window, please.
Could you do that in English? By the end of this episode, easily. Hello and welcome to British English with Tess. I'm Tess.
And I'm Sam. Hello.
Today we're at the airport. Check-in, security and boarding. Level A2 to B1.
Pop the captions on and say the lines with us. Mistakes are okay. We all make them.
Lovely. Let's begin. Right. Sam is travelling to Edinburgh and I work at the check-in desk. Here we go. Good morning. Where are you flying to today?
Good morning. I'm flying to Edinburgh.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Lovely. Are you checking in any bags?
Just one suitcase, please. And I've got a small backpack as hand luggage.
That's fine. Could you put your suitcase on the scales, please?
Sure, is it okay? I always pack too much.
It's 19 kilos. You're fine. The limit is 23.
Phew, that's a relief.
Now, would you like a window or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I love looking at the clouds.
Window seat it is. Here's your boarding pass. You're in seat 14A.
Thank you very much. Which gate is it?
It's gate 12 and boarding starts at 10:15.
Brilliant. And, sorry, one more question. Where's security?
No problem at all. It's just upstairs. Follow the signs.
Thanks so much. Okay, that wasn't too scary, but test one. What if my suitcase is too heavy?
Good question. You'll hear, I'm afraid your bag is over the limit. You can take something out or pay a little extra. Don't panic. It happens all the time.
It's happened to me, twice.
Right, part 2. This is the bit people worry about. Security. Next in the queue, please. Could you put your bag in the tray?
Yes, like this.
Perfect. Laptop out of the bag, please, in a separate tray.
Oh, sorry. There you go.
Any liquids in your hand luggage?
Just a small bottle of water. Is that okay?
I'm afraid you can't take that through. You can finish it or bin it.
Okay, I'll leave it. Sorry.
No problem. Jacket off, please, and step through when you're ready.
Did it beep? I think it beeped.
Just your belt, I think. Take it off and come through again. Lovely, you're fine.
Phew, thank you. Have a good day. Honestly, security makes everyone nervous, even in your own language.
It does. But did you notice? The officers use short, simple instructions. Bag in the tray, laptop out, step through. Listen for those key words.
And I'm afraid that's the polite British way to say no.
Exactly. Last part. Let's get you on that plane. Good morning, passengers. Flight BA245 to Edinburgh is now boarding at gate 12. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready.
Excuse me. Is this the queue for Edinburgh?
It is, yes. Boarding pass and passport, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Seat 14A by the window. Down the steps and to your left.
Great. Oh, quick question. The screen said my friend's flight is delayed. What does that mean exactly?
Delayed means it's late. It will leave after the planned time. If it says on time, everything is normal.
Got it. Fingers crossed I'm never delayed.
Enjoy your flight.
Thanks very much. Bye.
Let's look at the 8 key words and phrases from today. Number 1, to check in. To show your ticket and give them your bags. We do it at the check-in desk. For example, I need to check in 2 bags. I checked in online, so I went straight to security. Number 2, boarding pass. The paper or the code on your phone that lets you get on the plane. Here's your boarding pass, seat 14A. I always keep my boarding pass in my jacket pocket. Always the same pocket. Very sensible. Number 3, hand luggage. The small bag you take on the plane with you. In British English, we say hand luggage, not carry-on. My hand luggage is always too full. snacks mostly. Number 4, window or aisle seat. The window seat is by the window. The aisle seat is next to the walkway. They'll ask you, window or aisle? Aisle for me. More room for my legs. Number 5, here you are. We say this when we hand something to someone, your passport, your money, anything. You can also say, there you go. May I see your passport? Here you are. Easy and very polite. Number 6, to go through security, the checks before your flight. You can't take big bottles of liquid through security. Top tip, wear shoes that come off easily. Number 7, gate. The door area where you get on your plane. Your flight boards at gate 12. Check the screens. The gate can change. And number 8, delayed, late. My flight is delayed by 1 hour. The opposite on the screen is on time. Delayed at the airport. Perfect time to practice your English podcast, listening. Wonderful. 8 phrases. Now, let's make them stick. This is your shadowing practice. I'll say each line slowly. You repeat straight after me and copy my rhythm and my stress, not just the words. Say it with me. Ready? I'd like to check in 1 suitcase. I'd like to check in 1 suitcase. Here you are. Here you are. A window seat, please. A window seat, please. Is this my boarding pass? Is this my boarding pass? Which gate is it? Which gate is it? My flight is delayed. My flight is delayed. Lovely. Once more, a little faster this time. Shadow me like an echo. I'd like to check in 1 suitcase. Which gate is it? Here you are. Brilliant. Practice this part again tomorrow. Repetition is the secret. And that's the airport. Check-in, security, and boarding. All in English. You're ready for your next trip. Next stop, anywhere you like. Just remember, short answers, key words, and a smile go a very long way. If this helped you, please subscribe and turn the captions on. It really helps us grow. Next week, we're off to the doctors. How to say how you feel in English. Very useful, that one. Do join us. Thank you for flying with us. I'm Tess.
And I'm Sam.
Bye for now.
Bye.